Hey guys, what's up? It's Eric here and welcome to my Magick Funnels review and exclusive bonuses. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly what is Magick Funnels about, how it works, how it's going to make you money. And on top of that, I also prepared one of my biggest bonus bundles this year to help you get the maximum results out of Magick Funnels and pretty much to guarantee your success if you're going to pick it up through my bonus page, which is the first link in the description. Or if you're watching this video on my bonus page, you can just scroll down and check it out. So let's get started. Now, as you can see right now, I'm inside of the members area of the Magick Funnels app, and in short, this is much a brand new app that helps you create automated funnels in just a couple of clicks. The great things about it is that it's completely cloud-based. You don't have to download anything, and it works pretty much on Mac and also on Windows. Pretty much it also comes with a done-for-you funnels, so you can just use the funnels that are ready-made right in the app. Just switch out your affiliate link and you're good to go. And you can also create your own funnels for any affiliate offer that you want. You just got to go to affiliate products, add your affiliate offer right here, and you're pretty much good to go to promote any affiliate product that's pretty much online, just like Trump Coin, Backyard Revolution, Wood Profits, anything that has an affiliate program. It's a really cool app, especially right now. If you have around 20 to 30 minutes per day to play around with it, you can definitely see some good results. Now I'm going to go more into the detail of the app and show you exactly all the details in just a second. But before I do so, I want to make sure you're going to see the bonus package that I prepared for you, because I've been working very long time to prepare these bonuses for you, especially during this time. And because I wasn't promoting anything the last couple of weeks that much, because there wasn't a lot of products out there going live that I could promote, I decided to go all in and make sure that this is going to be 100% success if you decide to go for this. So if you're watching this on YouTube, please click on the first link in the description. You will come to my bonus page where you can watch the video review again right here. And when you click on any of these green buttons before this countdown timer runs out and you pick up your copy of Magick Funnels, you will receive all these exclusive custom-made bonuses that I prepared for you right here, completely for free immediately after the purchase in your Warrior Plus members area. Usually I'm giving away 6 bonuses. In this case, I'm giving away 8 bonuses, and one of them is something completely brand new that's currently selling for $297, and you're going to get it completely for free. So let's get started. So my first bonus. So this is my $500 per week recurring income system, and it's pretty much one of my systems that I'm using to make recurring payments every single month. Now with the Magick Funnels, you can create funnels for any affiliate product that you are promoting. So let's say you are promoting any product from Warrior Plus, you make the sale today, you're going to get the commission, but then you have to make the sale again and again and again in order to make money from it. In this bonus, I'm going to give you 100% free access to my $500 per week recurring income system that you can plug into the Magick Funnels and pretty much get paid every single month for a sale that you will make, let's say today. So let's say you make a sale today, you will get paid for it the next month, then the month after that, and over again without actually making that sale again. I hope that makes sense. So instead of making these one-time payments, you are going to be getting recurring payments. And this currently sells for $17 per month. You can also get a full-time license for $97, but I'm going to give you the pro version, which comes with a $200 upgrade. So overall, you would have to pay like $297 for this, but you're going to get it 100% for free if you pick up Magick Funnels through my bonus page. This is one of the best beginner-friendly recurring income systems. Comes with a full traffic training, full video training how to use it. So if you have a couple minutes per day, definitely check it out, because this is going to make you a lot of money. Bonus number 2 is my one-on-one support and a coaching call for Magick Funnels, and this is something that pretty much is going to guarantee your results. When I was going through the software and I was going through the video training, I didn't really see anything that would make it impossible to get very fast results using Magick Funnels. So in order to make sure you will get those fast results, I'm also including my coaching call and a support. So if you have any questions or there are any roadblocks when you are going to pick this up, I'm here to help you out to properly set it up and make sure you will understand it correctly. So you can actually use this software from beginning to actually make money with it. So if you're looking for somebody to be in your corner to help you out via Skype, Messenger, or email, I'm going to be here for you to make sure that if you're going to pick it up, you are going to see results. Then bonus number 3 is the missing piece that's not included in the video course, and this is very important video, and this is Magick Funnels method, how to actually make money with Magick Funnels, and this is going to be my overview and also my money making strategy. The only video training that's not included in the Magick Funnels is like the complete overview of the software, how to actually go from A to Z, which A is buying the software and Z is making the money. That's not included, but that's what I'm going to show you in the bonus number 3, how I would use this software when I would pick it up, how I would go about using it to actually making money with it with my bonuses. So if I would pick it up through my own affiliate link and I would receive all these bonuses, I'm going to show you how I would mix it up and how I would actually go about making money using the Magick Funnels software. I think this is very important because a lot of people have been asking me, like, if they're going to pick it up, they know how to create the landing page, they know how to create the bonus, but they never get the full picture. And that's what I'm going to show you in my bonus number 3. Then bonus number 4 is my ultimate traffic method, where I'm going to show you how to get thousands of clicks overnight. This is one of my favorite traffic sources to use, especially with affiliate marketing, because not a lot of people are using it, and it's very, very powerful. And this is very beginner friendly, and you can get well over 100 leads using the traffic source overnight. So you can literally just set it up today and tomorrow get a couple hundred leads onto your email list. And when you are going to combine it with Magick Funnels, it's going to get you very fast results. Then bonus number 5 is my buyer traffic secrets, where I'm going to show you how to get free buyers traffic, and I'm also going to include free traffic secrets. This is my other bonus, where I'm going to show you how to get 100% free traffic wherever you want, and also this bonus is going to show you how to get free buyers traffic wherever you want. And if you know what is buyers traffic about, you know this is one of the best, highest converting traffic sources that you can get, and if you know how to get it for free, you are going to make a lot of money from it. Then bonus number 6 is my autopilot traffic secrets, where I'm going to show you how to get traffic to your funnels while you sleep with autopilot traffic methods. These are also beginner friendly, and they are set and forget traffic methods. You can just set them up in just a couple of minutes and let them run overnight and get you traffic while you sleep. So you don't have to work for the traffic all the time. You can just set these methods up and they're going to get you traffic when you are doing something else. Then bonus number 7 is my secret weapon to $200 paydays, which is one of my best-selling courses, where I'm going to show you how I make anywhere from $50 to $200 per day with affiliate marketing. You will get access to the full video course with 10 plus over-the-shoulder videos, 100% free, and this is like additional method that you can use as a standalone method, or you can also combine it with Magick Funnels, or you can also combine it with my $500 per week recurring income system. And last but not least is access to the all vendor bonuses. So all bonuses provided by vendor, which are 300 CPA every day, 500 CPA every day, CPA coffee shop method, $200 cash hack, 2K CPA traffic jacker, cash magnet, commission glitch, 6-figure influx, $1 million toolbox, overnight commissions, commission toolbox, pure profit payday, $100 CPA daily, commission profit hack, instant traffic jacker, the commission magnet, and the commission blueprint, 100% free access to the affiliate traffic lab, and also there's a bunch of bonuses in the video members area that you can just watch when you're going to pick it up. So something like $30,000 case study, viral news jacker, tube traffic machine, and the affiliate traffic lab. So all these bonuses that are provided by vendor, and most affiliates are going to be offering these as their custom bonuses, are in my bonus number 8. Bonus number 7 is my secret weapon to $200 paydays. Bonus number 6 is my autopilot traffic secrets. Bonus number 5 is my buyer traffic secrets and also free traffic secrets. Bonus number 4 is my ultimate traffic method. Bonus number 3 is my Magick Funnels method. Bonus number 2 is my one-on-one support and a coaching call. And my number 1 bonus is my $500 per week recurring income system that currently sells for $297, but you're going to get 100% free access to this if you pick it up through my bonus page. So all these bonuses, there's a lot of them, I know, but you're going to get them 100% for free if you pick this up through my bonus page. So when you click here, you will come to the sales page that looks like this, and it pretty much goes April 2020, 100% done for you, buyer traffic, sales, commissions, and funnels, the world's best traffic, sales, and funnel app. Groundbreaking one-click app creates automated funnels and gets you instant buyer traffic in less than 60 seconds. These done for you funnels are making us over $1,200 each every day. Plug and play app for instant automated daily commissions and recurring income. One-click funnels for instant buyers traffic and more sales and commissions. Generate at least $100 per day by doing the following: our newbie friendly training, 0 monthly fees or overhead costs, free traffic included inside the app, 100% done for you profit funnels, list building on steroids. Completely beginner friendly, ultimate done for you method, and love it or your money back. They have a 30-day money back guarantee, so if you don't like the software, you can just request a refund and you will get your money back. So this is what this is about, and this is pretty much the video training area that you will get when you access it. So welcome video, then webinar, then exclusive bonuses, then some affiliate links, and then this is the Magick Funnels access. Then you can access your upgrades right here, and then affiliate traffic lab, viral news jacker, and tube traffic machine, $30,000 case study, and some bonuses right here. There's tons of bonuses in the video training members area, so just don't get overwhelmed, okay? The access for the app is right here, step number 4. So let me show you how it works and what you can actually create with it. So this is the dashboard right here. Video, welcome video, then my profile, then the training. Now the training goes over each part in detail, over the technical things, but it doesn't really give you the overview how to use this software and make money with it, which I think is the most important part. So overview, how to set up your done for you campaigns, how to create your own campaigns for any products, how to connect your autoresponder, how to add additional affiliate products to the download page. This is very important. Using the upgrades, conversion boosting tools, bonus builder, and traffic strategies. Now, these are all right traffic strategies, but if you want to get a proven result, something that's working currently right now, just go with my traffic training, because you're better off using these methods than the ones that are right here, because I think these are just kind of like fluff videos and they are not really going to show you a lot of things in detail. Then autoresponders, this is where you add your autoresponder right here. So whatever autoresponder you have, you pretty much add it here. Then affiliate products, this is where you can add any affiliate product that you want to create a funnel for. There are some preloaded, but you can also add your own. This is where you would, for example, add the $500 per week recurring income system if you want to promote it using the app. Then there are done for you funnels right here, so you can just use the funnels for these top selling clickbank products like Scribble, EX Factor, affiliate bots, 12-minute affiliate system, yoga burn, Cinderella solution. So let me show you some of these. These are just templates that you can just fill in with your affiliate links. So the squeeze page, a really nice looking one. Then the thank you page, this is where you add even more content, which is shown in the video training. And this is where you add your affiliate links. So the download page for the freebie that you actually get with the software. The number 1 recommendation, this is going to be your affiliate link, and the resources are also other products that you are going to be promoting with your own affiliate link. And these funnels are pretty much done for you right here, or you can create your own using the simple funnel builder app that's right here. So pretty much click on create a funnel, and it's pretty much just a step-by-step process. So very cool app, and getting my bonuses is going to make you is going to change your life for sure. So the price of this one is $17.97, and it comes with a lot of upsells, so I'm going to go through them right now. I also have some of the recommendations because some of these are selling for different prices than the downsell ones. So if you want to save some money, make sure to go for the downsell options, because you're going to save like $50 on the first one, $30 here, $30 here, $20 here, $30 here, and $100 here. So definitely go for the downsells. And pretty much the main product is $17.97, then it goes up. The first OTO is unlimited version, which allows you to create as many funnels as you want without any restrictions. This is something that I do recommend, especially for the downsell price, because you don't want to be restricted when you are creating these funnels. Let's say you create 10 of them, all of them are producing you money, and you want to create even more funnels. And then what? You will have to like delete some of these funnels that are currently making you money. No, you want to be pretty much unlimited, non-restricted. So that's why I recommend the unlimited version for mostly for all of the software. So $47 downsell option. This is what I do recommend that you pick up if you are going for any of the OTOs. Note to number 2 is additional done for you funnels in various niches for $67. This means instead of just these basic done for you funnels that are right here, which come in the main version, you will get additional done for you funnel section right here, and it pretty much is not filled up right now because this is a review copy, but you are going to get even more funnels right here. So you will have 2 of these categories, so done for you funnels 1, done for you funnels 2, and there's going to be a lot more done for you funnels right here, which I think are going to perform a little bit better because not a lot of people are going to have access to these. So there's going to be less saturation, less competition, therefore more chances of you making a sale using those funnels. So that's why I do recommend that you go for, if you are going to pick up any of the OTOs, again, go for the downsell price because you're going to save like $30. The OTO number 3 is automated traffic flow. Same pricing, where you get place your remarketing pixels on their sales page and get access to all of their high quality traffic. This is something that you can pick up if you know how to use it. OTO number 4 is conversion boosting tools, $47 down, so where you can add some social things on your sales pages, on your funnels to increase the conversion rates, which is a great upgrade, but I don't want to be recommending all of these, so you can skip this one if you don't have it already, but it's a good one for sure. OTO number 5 is a bonus page creator for $37 only, and that's going to unlock the bonus builder app, which allows you to create bonus pages and also comes with preloaded bonuses that you can use as your own, which I think is really cool because let me just quickly show you how it looks like. So you pick a bonus page, let's go for this one. You can just customize it right here. But the main thing is when you go to settings or download page, I don't remember right now, but you can add all of the bonuses from the library. Not sure where they are right now. I'm just improvising really quickly with the bonus builder app because they keep changing it, but pretty much you can add as many bonuses as you want from their library, and that's the biggest part about the bonus builder app, because you can create a bonus page in any kind of page builder, but getting the bonuses as well is really cool. So getting it for $37 I think is a great deal. And then OTO number 6 is the license rights, $197 original price, $97 discounted one, so go for the downsell one where you can promote this product as an affiliate for 100% of the funnel commissions. So that's it. That's about Magick Funnels. Hope you enjoyed this review. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, leave them below this video and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Or just send me a message on Facebook, send me a message via email, wherever you can reach me, and I will reply to you pretty much as soon as possible. I always reply to everybody that sends me a message. So again, thank you for watching this review. If you want to pick it up with the best bonus packages, I promise you're not going to find anything better. Especially the first bonus kind of makes up for any other bonus package alone. And on top of that, you're getting my support and all of these juicy things. So hope you're staying safe. If you don't want to pick it up, that's alright. But if you're going to do it, then make sure to get it with the best bonuses if you actually want to get the results using this software and don't want it to just lay on your hard drive to collect the virtual dust. Okay, so hope you're staying safe and I'll talk to you in the next video. Bye for now. Take care.